CAD versus BIM discussion has been evolving since the inception of BIM in the 1970s. In this module, we'll delve into the core differences between CAD and BIM, examining how these technologies have transformed the architecture, engineering, and construction (AEC) industry. When discussing CAD versus BIM, it's essential to understand that BIM extends beyond a mere software. It's a transformative process. CAD primarily involves digital tools for design rendering, significantly improving the analysis and execution of building structures. It revolutionized the industry by streamlining drafting processes that were once manual and time-consuming. On the other hand, BIM, operating as a cloud-based collaborative process, transcends traditional software limitations. It facilitates real-time collaboration among stakeholders throughout a building's lifecycle, promoting seamless communication and project continuity. CAD, with its proficiency in geometric accuracy and initial 2D design capabilities, was a game-changer. However, the transition from 2D to 3D designs posed challenges, leading architects to explore BIM-based solutions like Revit. While CAD's 3D functionalities enhanced visualization, the process was cumbersome, prompting architects to seek more efficient BIM-based software for holistic project management. BIM offers multidimensional modeling, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, 7D, and 8D versions, allowing for sustainability, time, and risk assessment. It simplifies design modifications, automatically adjusting interconnected aspects without manual updates, a feature lacking in traditional CAD systems. AutoCAD, a CAD-based software, excels in drafts and documents but lacks some building-specific tools. Conversely, ArchiCAD, a BIM-based solution, provides a streamlined experience with specific building tools and multiple workflows. Moving on to SketchUp and Revit, let's explore their functionalities. SketchUp, a CAD software, offers a user-friendly interface with plugins, while Revit, a BIM-based solution, specializes in parametric components, MEP, and structural engineering. CAD's simplicity and lower learning curve make it accessible, but it struggles with the 2D to 3D transition and lacks efficient project lifecycle mapping. Conversely, BIM's collaborative nature and comprehensive data tracking enable seamless communication, leading to reduced errors and enhanced project sustainability. Several countries mandate BIM usage, and professionals skilled in BIM often command higher salaries. The industry's move towards BIM is undeniable, emphasizing the importance of upskilling in this transformative process. In conclusion, the CAD versus BIM debate isn't merely about software, it's about embracing a process that transcends conventional design methods.